under an assumption of the successful vaccine sometime in 2021, what is the most likely outcome of the looming debt crisis in your view in a time frame of 5 to 10 years?
I hope that the projections of an effective vaccine come to fruition. Mm-hmm. I remind anybody who brings the subject up that making an invention, testing the invention, manufacturing the invention, and distributing the invention involve a number of steps.
Yeah.
And I think what people miss is that even if a test of a vaccine ends up going well, we're still a long way off from what is known as herd immunity, which really would provide a lot of comfort for people and businesses to go back to operating normally. But I hope that you're right. Mm-hmm. If that's the case, debt sustainability, I think, becomes easier mm-hmm. if we are unable to achieve a broadly effective medical solution, both prevention and curative, mm-hmm. to the coronavirus. The risk that we may lose control of our debt situation is much higher.